Hello, I'm Matt and this is my channel Sawdust Passion. Today I'm going to show you how to make this industrial coffee table. First off, we need to cut the timber to rough length. I'm using 2x8s for this project, which are 8 foot long. I'm cutting them in half to make the tabletop 4 foot long. I'm doing this with a mite saw and a stop block just to speed things up, but you could just as easily do it with a track saw or even a circular saw with a straight edge. Now to sort out the round overed edge. The edges of the 2x8 timber are eased over, so to square them up I'm cutting a few millimetres off one side of each length, then I'll move the fence over a few more millimetres and do the same to the other side. Because construction timber is never perfectly flat, I'm going to use this 2x4 with some parcel tape on as a core to keep the timber lined up across the middle. On each end I'm clamping over the joints to keep them aligned. Now the glue is dry, I'm giving both sides a good sand to get them nice and flat. I'm using a large square to mark the edge of the table, then trim with the track saw. You could also do this with a circular saw and a straight edge. The iron legs are 400mm long, I got them from Amazon, I'll leave the link in the description below. I'm using some scrap wood for spacers for the legs to make sure that I get them the same distance from the edge of the table. I'm just drawing in the holes and drilling them out. Because I want to be able to remove the legs, I'm using these insert nuts. This is me getting a bit carried away stirring, I was covered. I'm working quickly to get a coat of stain all over the tabletop. Then I run the brush lightly across the still wet stain without any pressure to get an even finish. Once dry, I add 2 layers of varnish and reattach the legs. This is a great project for anybody that wants to start making furniture. If you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, it would really mean a lot. Until next time, stay safe and follow your passion.